Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to know if someone has blocked you on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now, to know if someone has blocked you on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app and open up the chat box of the person whom you think has blocked you on Telegram. There are a few facts and properties by which you can tell if someone has blocked you on Telegram or not. So let's follow up with those facts and properties. And to start, guys, they won't be online for a long time. With that being said, guys, at the top of the screen you can see there it says the last seen a long time ago. If someone has blocked you on Telegram, that will be shown to you that last seen a long time ago, and not showing last seen a few weeks ago or last seen a few moments ago, few hours ago. But if you have been blocked by that person, there will be the last seen a long time ago. And if you open the profile of that person, their profile picture won't be available to you if they have blocked you. And you can see, guys, currently this profile picture is not available to us, meaning that person has blocked us. And also, guys, with that being said, if you call them or text them, the text and calls won't go through, even the video calls or the audio calls. Similarly, if you send a message to them, only a tick mark will be available at the right side of that message. You can see, guys, on these messages only a tick mark is available, meaning that they could have blocked us. And with that being said, guys, by lining up those facts, which is if they have blocked you, your message won't go through to them, your calls, either your video calls or your audio calls, won't go through to them. And with that being also said, their profile picture will not be available to, and all of these info like their number and their username also won't be available to you or shown to you if they have blocked you like this on their profile. And with that being said, guys, these are the properties or facts you need to line up to know if they have blocked you or not. But if these properties line up, guys, your messages are not going through, only a tick mark is available to and not two tick marks, a message showing that it's delivered, and your calls and your video calls are not going through, their profile picture is not available to us. Similarly, if their info is not available over here, then you must know that the person has blocked you on Telegram. And with that being said, guys, this is how to know if someone has blocked you on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.